Hi, everybody. Welcome to Strategic Business Planning. I'm Rob Sloan. I'm your instructor for this course. I'd say I can recognize some of you, and it's good to see you again, but there seem to be some new faces as well, so I'll look forward to seeing you this week. I really love teaching this course. I find it's challenging for students, but I know you'll get a lot out of it. Now, we don't take a few weeks to get started in this course. We start working from the very first day. So I want you to do something. I want you to bring a credit card or a debit card to your first class. You'll register for the BSG shoe game simulation. That's the homepage that you're looking at there on the screen. It's going to cost you US dollars $44.95. To register for that, and every student has to register. You can, for those of you who've taken international marketing, and that should be pretty much everybody, you can work out what $44.95 in US dollars is worth in Canadian dollars. You'll be working with a partner on the simulation, and I'll be putting you in teams of two right from the first class as well. So we'll be working on our first practice round. I'm really looking forward to getting started, so please remember, bring your credit card. I don't want you falling behind from the very first class, and I look forward to seeing you there.